Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how you can easily use Later to set up, manage, and streamline your social media activities from one location using Later. So let's get started. First of all, you can create your account from here. In this tutorial, I'm just gonna log in. And now I'm just gonna insert my login credentials, my password, and here we are. So basically, this is how your Later looks like. So first of all, here you have your calendar. To start managing your social media platforms, of course, you will need to connect them first. So there are multiple options here that you can use regarding your social media platforms. You can connect your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. So basically, I will just connect the two platforms for this tutorial so as not to waste so much time and to just get a sample of what we can do with Later. So I will connect my Instagram and I will also connect my Pinterest. So let's start with Instagram now. Here I will just press on allow to give it access. And here you can see on the top that my profile has been added successfully. Now I will just leave this for now. No, continue setup. I will just use active, anything, any option, yes, for example. I can also choose anything like this. I'm just choosing the first option. And now I will skip this one. And we are set up successfully. So here you can see a check mark on your Instagram, which means that it has been successfully connected. Now let's connect our Pinterest as well. And I will just give access. And it shows that it has been successfully added. You can also let's leave this. You can also see that here it has been added. So you can add as much as you want from your own social media platforms. So now you need to use a content so that you can upload it to your own social media platforms. You can do this using Dropbox, using Google Drive, or uploading media from your own device. So let's just upload an image and try to use it to be uploaded to our platforms. Here is my image. So this is gonna be my content. Now let's just press on continue. Not now. And here we are. So basically this is your calendar, and here you can find your media, which is uploaded. You can also choose to view your calendar on weekly basis, monthly basis. You can also choose the different views. So if we, for example, choose a month basis here, and I want to upload my post at the middle of December, for example, so I will go to 15 here, and I will just drag and drop my image there, and it will be uploaded. However, I will not do this for now, because if I did this, I will just close this, leave, because if I did this, as you can see on the top, only the Instagram is marked as red. So it will only be uploaded on Instagram. However, I just want to upload it on my two platforms here. So I will also click on here, and they are both selected now. So I can drag and drop now my image to 15 December, and here it pop-ups a window which shows you how your post will look like. So you can here write a caption, let's for example, write tutorial post. You can also access on saved captions, which are like templates that you can use anytime on any post. So here we don't have any saved caption because it's still a brand new account. So I can just press on plus here, and for example, I can say hello text, and the caption is welcome to my news feed, for example. And you can use this anytime by just clicking on it. So now you can also use hashtag suggestions, which will help you to find hashtags which are related to your post or your own topic. So I can here choose, for example, auto. However, it requires subscription. So let's go with search here, and it also requires subscription. So this is basically twisted. Actually, you need to subscribe to access any of them, because if you think about it, hashtags are really important because they can help you acquire fame in a matter of minutes. That's why they include it in the paid version and not the free one. You can also edit on your image from here. Let's just wait for it to load. And here we are. So you can choose to crop the image based on these sizes, or you can just custom crop it by just dragging the edges like this. And you can also choose different filters. You can choose black and white, for example, like this. You can add a text here. However, it's also required subscription to be able to do this. And we can press on upload image to apply the changes. So once you are done, you can go to publish here and choose the time that you want to publish your own image. So once you are done, you can go to customize to posts now. I will just close this. Okay. Now you can also choose the type of publishing. So it's basically can be auto-publish. However, this requires your account to be a business account. So if it is not a business account, you will need to just send notifications. So basically, this will not upload your image. However, it will send you a notification on this day that you need to upload this image. You also need to download the mobile app to be able to receive such notifications. So I will just cancel for now because I'm just showing you how you can do it. Now let's leave. So basically, this is how it's done. You can also choose one of your platforms by just clicking on this plus sign, and it will be unselected. You can add as many platforms as you want from here, and you can also access other features like your media, in which you can just control your media. You can use Unsplash, for example, to add more images. You can also go to conversations where you can control your own conversations regarding the different platforms. And here you can see different analytics which are related to you. Since we still don't have any analytics, you will find this empty. You can also, instead of drag and drop like this, you can just press on I will cancel this. You can just press on create post here, and here it will pop up some information. You can choose your publishing method. You can also choose to write your own caption. You can upload your own image. You can do the same as you did in the previous method. However, this requires more additional information because it's a more detailed way to upload your own posts. So this is how you can upload as many posts as you want on all your platforms in just one click. And this is how easy you can use later. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.